Kling 3 is the most powerful AI video model right now. It has 3 completely different models. In this video, I'll show you how to run all 3 models for free. And stick around till the end, because I'm showing you how to get unlimited free credits on this platform. The platform is called Weeby AI, a free workspace where you can run almost every major AI model in one place. Now, the default Kling 3 model here costs 134 credits per video. That's almost your entire free credits, but you can import the Kling 3 model yourself. And when you do, it costs only 10 credits per video. Same model, same quality, but 13 times cheaper. Once imported, save it for later use. From the right panel, adjust your output settings, resolution, duration, and aspect ratio. Connect it to the Kling 3 node, hit Run Model. You'll see a warning pop out. Just tap Accept. It runs normally. Few minutes later, here's your output. But that's just Model 1. What Kling 3 Omni can do is on a completely different level. Kling 3 Omni is not just a video generator, it's an AI video editor. Take any video you've already generated, create a prompt node, and describe what you want to change. Now connect video node and prompt node with the Omni node. Hit Run. Watch what happens. Same video, completely transformed just from a text prompt. Now, the one I've been most excited to show you, Kling 3 Motion Control. Motion control works completely differently. You give it 2 things, a reference image and a reference video. The AI takes the motion from your reference video and applies it to your reference image. The output moves exactly like your reference, but looks exactly like your image. Now, if you're wondering how to get more free credits on Weeby AI so you never run out, I already covered that in my previous video. Link is in the description. Go watch that. That's all 3 Kling 3 models, running completely free. Want the import link for any model? Comment the model name. I'll send it. Want a full AI UGC video next? Comment UGC below and subscribe so you don't miss what's next.